Hello children, this video lesson is about conversation. I think it will help you to develop your conversational skills. It is a major discourse. It is 28th question in paper 1 for 10 marks. Children, let us know what is a conversation. Conversation is an interactive communication between two or more people equally involved. It is an expression and exchange of individual ideas, opinions, thoughts, likes, dislikes, and experiences. It is an informal talk, like talking to a friend, discussing with family members on some topic. Conversation is a part of communication. If communication is a big tree, conversation is a branch of it. Children, here are the key points to remember while writing the conversation. We can say that these are the assessment indicators also. The first one is the context and the characters. You should keep in mind that who the characters are and the context of the conversation. Your conversation should stick to the context or story of the textbook. Second point, write 10 to 12 exchanges. These exchanges should relate to the topic. Use proper sequence of exchanges. These exchanges should be in a sequential order. They should clearly express the context of the conversation. The fourth one is sustain the conversation with social norms. Being polite, reflecting relationships, and willingness to speak. Politeness refers to the words please, would you, could you, may I, etc. And under the relationship, we can use the words like mom, dad, my child, my son, my dear, sir, etc. And under the willingness to speak, we can use the words like yes, well, you are right, all right, etc. The fifth key point is use discourse markers. Under discourse markers, we can use the words like well, precisely, anyway, actually, to be frank, you know, by the way, ah, oh, etc. The next point is use short responses, question tags, and contractions. Responses. That's fine. That's great idea. You are right. Here we go. Question tags. Isn't it? Do they? Will you? Etc. Contractions. Don't, can't, I'll, shouldn't, etc. These words also part of natural conversation. They keep the conversation more lively. The next point is use appropriate cohesive devices. Devices are words like similarly, however, moreover, but, so, somehow, anyhow, anyway, I suppose, etc. Eighth point is use well formed constructions. Construction of sentences in a conversation should be well formed with PNG agreement. P is person, first person, second person, or third person. N is number, singular or plural. G is gender, masculine and feminine. In the construction of the sentence, we should not forget this P, N, and G. Next point is maintain conventions of writing. It includes capital letters, writing capital letters wherever necessary, and correct spelling and punctuation. Under punctuation, we can use full stop, comma, question mark, exclamatory, colon, etc. Indent. Children, we know that we have to write 10 to 12 exchanges. Every exchange should start by writing the name of the speaker, put a colon, and then write his or her dialogue. Children, you know that conversation is a 10 marks question. Let us clearly know the assessment indicators and marks allocation in detail. Writing dialogues contextually. Minimum 10 exchanges, 2 marks. Sequencing the dialogues, 2 marks. Using social norms and discourse markers, 2 marks. Grammaticality, tense, aspect, agreement, PNG features, etc. 1 mark. Conventions of writing, 1 mark. Coherence, use of connectives and pronouns, 2 marks. Total 10 marks. Children, now listen to the conversation carefully and try to understand every exchange and key points that we have discussed. This conversation is from the first unit, a reading lesson, that is Attitude is Altitude. Conversation between Nick and his mother when he comes to her crying. The context is Nick comes to his mother crying. Characters are Nick and his mother. Mother. What happened, Nick? Why are you crying? Nick. I feel like killing myself. I don't want to live. Mother. Oh my God. What made you to think so? Nick. I can't imagine my future without limbs. I am depressed. Mother. Don't worry, my son. We are here to look after. Nick. Mom, I am afraid that I can't do anything without limbs. I can't imagine my life when you are not there. Mother. No need to worry, my child. We will take care of you. You can do many things. Nick. But how? Mother. It is possible. There are many ways to overcome your disability. Nick. How is it possible? How can I write? Mother. I can prepare a special device to help you in writing. Nick. How can I go to school? Mother. We will buy a new electric wheelchair. Nick. How can I do all other things? Mother. Don't lose heart, my child. Be positive and be brave. You can do miracles with determination. Nick. Thank you, Mom. I will try to be positive in all aspects. Children, if you observe carefully, you can find almost all the key points are present in the above conversation. There is no deviation from the text. Continuity is there. We have followed social norms. Conventions of writing like punctuation and correct spelling are maintained. Now, children, try to write conversation in the following context from the lesson Attitude is Altitude. First one, conversation between Nick's father and mother on the day Nick was born as Torso. Second one, conversation between Nick and Bethany Hamilton on the day they met, and Nick requests her to be his coach in surfing. Thank you.